guys, what's going on? Today we're going to have a short video of how to replace the shock on the hood. This one died on us as we were working on the turbo kit install. So the first thing you're going to have to do is find a way to hold the hood up without using the shock, which we usually take a vice grip and clamp it on here to keep it open. So what we did was we took a piece of stick or a handle of a broom or something, propped it up inside just to hold the hood up. This way we can get to the shock and hopefully it won't fall and hit us in the head. First we're going to have to take this little clamp here off. Using a pick, we can just get it into the back of it and just pry it up. Once that is up, that should take it off the top. Now you can see this has just lost its pressure in the cylinder. Next there's one at the bottom and you just have to do the same thing. Pry it out. And voila, comes right off. Again, oh, you can actually see some of the liquid coming out of it. So the seal is gone. Alright, so this is the new part. We picked this up from ECS Tuning. I'll put the link in the description. This should be a straight on clip. As you can see, there's a lot of pressure. I can't push this in by hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the bottom first. Should be pretty simple. You should just have to push it on. Oh, there we go. That's in. And then we might have to... Al, can you hold that stick? Because I'm going to have to lift the hood up a little bit further. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. Alright guys, this was a real quick fix. Everything is in now. As you can see, it's holding the hood up. What you should always do is test it. So we'll just bring it down, which is pretty easy right now. And then now we're going to lift it back up and see if it holds it up. And there we go. I didn't even have to touch it. Really nice. Guys, this was a quick video, so until the next video, we'll catch you then. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep wrenching.